Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. The link will be down below, which is my affiliate link. And you can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. And they'll ship this to you pretty fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is staying safe. Here we go, guys. New year. And new, oh baby, here we go. Oh, this is a nice one. Yeah. This might buy me my computer. Immersive cinema sound for small spaces. Vilinice. Give you better sound enjoyment. Alright. But yeah, I do believe this is an Amazon hi-fi speaker. But if it's not, the links will be down below. So either or. It's all good. Let's take this thing out. I'm going to grab my Chromebook for this one. Ooh. Nice. Okay. Got some goodies in here. Get out. Alright, we got a nice remote right here. So you're going to need some probably AAAs. Yeah, AAAs. I'll get those in a second once I grab my Chrome. There we go, AAAs. Definitely check out Amazon's AAAs. They got some good ones that last a while. We got a good, I forgot what this cable's called. So many of them now. Yeah, this is a nice one. Nice long style. Got a lot of cord right here. THX or something like that. THQ. Somewhere around there. You guys know what it is. Model number SS01. Sounds like a ship. Yeah, get this battery. Some basic. Here we go. And I put that right there. And now we got the standard cables. Old school. Not going to need those. Got the audio jack. Got some wall mounts. Definitely not going to mount this. I'll just keep it out in case I need to move around stuff. You never know. In case I need to upgrade PC in a few years. There we go. Vilinice. Not sure if I was saying that right. There we go. Now let's take a look at the main event. Ooh, this is nice. Definitely put this in your gym room, your computer room, gaming room, kids room. There's cables. Optical cables, that's what it is called. That's optical USB power. You could mount them right there, or you could just have it laying down. Let's see, it comes with a non-slide. These guys and that guy. Here's the side. There's stickers right here. That's the sensor. Bluetooth and everything. So, alright, let me grab my MacBook or Chromebook. Be right back. Alright guys, I got everything all set up now. Just gotta plug her in.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, so that's already goes to automatically. The Bluetooth button flashes right there. This is like a two-tone, like a navy blue. Looks really sweet, but it's kind of hard to tell in this lighting. So it's black and navy blue right here. Really nice though. Drop you guys down. And now, go to my Bluetooth. Should pop up in a second. It's gonna come up as SS01.
Connected.
There we go. And now, hold on. There's gonna be an ad coming up. Let me pause that for a sec. And then skip. It should be ready to go. That's pretty loud. That sounds good though. Watch some sports like the Super Bowl, hockey and stuff, wrestling. Sounds really good. Great for movies, video games. Bluetooth, aux, LED. Alright. There's the mute button. Everything works great. Sounds great. Especially with no like subwoofer, this sounds pretty good. Let's see how it sounds.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend.
Audio sounds clear.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change,
That's Max.
I can help you out, I can help you out, I can help you.
Movie mode.
There's movie mode.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can.
News mode.
Here we go.
Music mode.
And I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you.
And that sounds really good, guys. I mean, definitely check them out. Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You'll be amazed for this little guy. Packs a punch, sounds amazing, and great for anything from gaming to movies to music. Great for your home gym. Have a couple of these running, you'll be good. Bluetooth mode. This guy again, Optical. This is like kind of medium-sized volume.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out.
Definitely check them out.
I can help
Violent
you out.
lights.
I can help you out. I can
Sounds
help
good though.
you out.
Alright, be safe. Have a good night.